Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 disable Microsoft Edge from opening while starting the computer. First method is click Start, Settings, click Accounts, click Sign In Options. Turn off automatically save my restartable apps and restart them when I sign back in. Second method is click Start, Apps, Start Up. Turn off Microsoft Edge. Third method is open Microsoft Edge, click Settings, click System and Performance. Turn off Startup Boost. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Personalization, click Background. Change Windows Spotlight to Picture or any other options. Fifth method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand software, click and expand policies, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Microsoft Edge. Click Main, create new DWORD 32-bit value, named as Allow Pre-Launch, change value data to 0. Create new key named as Tab Preloader. Create new DWORD 32-bit value named as Allow Tab Preloading, change value data to 0. Close and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.